I was then invited as a resource speaker. But ngayon, sumama na ako sa movement and I will now be one of the petitioner dito sa People's Initiative.
Kailan po ninyo i-file? Kasi yun po yung next step, di ba? Sabi po ni another fellow Bicolano, Representative Joey Salceda, ay 12.1% na raw ang mga lagda na nakalap ng grupo. The next step then would be to really file an official petition with the COMELEC. Is this going to happen anytime soon? What can we expect?
You know, the constitutional requirement is for each legislative district to have at least 3% of the total registered voters, and in the national level, 12% of the total registered voters. The moment we are sure that we have that numbers, which is constitutionally mandated, then we will file the said petition. Naninigurado lang po kami.
Okay.
Aren't you concerned about the issues on buying allegations na kapalit ng ayuda, pipirma sila dun sa People's
Wala po
Initiative?
Lahat lang aligasyon Kasi ang masama po dito, yung aligasyon, is equivalent to, kumbaga, parang you took it as a gospel truth. Parang allegation is equivalent to, evidence. But did we ever find a person step forward and say na binayaran siya? Yung ayuda, ang sabi ng mga ahensya ng gobyerno, wala silang nire-release na tupad or AHICS for that matter. So these are mere allegations. All assertions that are not supported by any positive testimony. Kaya nga po, ang masama dito, instead na tutukan at tingnan yung magandang objeto ng People's Initiative ko at kung ano ang ikakaganda nito sa ating bayan, nabaling ho doon sa mga aligasyon na wala naman suportadong ebidensya.
Sir, with all due respect, meron po kasing nakunan yung aming reporter na interview. Panayam po doon sa allegedly pumirma doon sa People's Initiative, a resident of Quezon City, na sinasabi na galing daw sa isang congressman ng ayuda. So hindi po ba ito enough evidence?
Sean and Maricel, if that is true, then it has to be presented. And those signatures that were secured or afforded material consideration should not be taken into account. Ibig sabihin, tanggalin yon yung mga signatures. But you're talking about millions of signatures. Gusto sabihin, ito bang milyon-milyon na pumirma dito ay lahat to binayaran, binigyan ng ayuda? I mean, it has to be, there has to be a concrete proof that will show that majority of the signatures were procured through, bribery or, due considerations why they signed that People's Initiative. So
that's right.
We should be fair about reporting and generalizing. Kasi kami sa Bicol region, we were able to get at least 16% of the signatures. Albay. And siguro we cannot generalize or say that those were procured through material considerations.
Nevertheless, Mayor. Whether or not ma-prove ito in court using evidence, etc., one thing remains. For sure, this will be a cause of delay. For sure, maantala yung timeline. First question, Mayor, meron na po bang timeline? Kasi ang sabi ng COMELEC, imposible daw ito ma-achieve until 2026 at the earliest. What do you have to say about that? Or will they be forced to? Once you file a petition, wala naman...
We don't set a timeline. What we are saying here is that as long as we were able to comply with the constitutional requirement, and then we will proceed with the process. Hindi pwedeng time-bound to kasi magkakamali lang. And the haste make ways, baka masayang lang to gaya ng Lambino case na kung saan diniklara ng Korte Suprema as unconstitutional. So we're very careful in gathering signatures and making the registered voter understand what they sign so that pagdating sa anuman na legal na aspeto at mga opposition na alam naman namin darating dyan ay kaya naming harapin.